So there are actually now a massive amount of Uber drivers who are quitting, and we are gonna get into it, okay? There's just so much frustration coming from the driver's side at this point that this just came out just last night about why so many drivers are finally quitting, especially here in California, okay? Before I jump in, if you are interested in making extra money, there's an incredible opportunity to do so right now, right here on YouTube, through the Faceless YouTube channel method. You can create a Faceless YouTube channel and start making $10,000 per month. I'll just show you guys right here in my earnings. On one of my YouTube channels, I can go into my screenshots here and just show you guys my revenue for the year so far. I've brought in, guys, $56,000 so far this year, okay? This has absolutely changed my life. As you can see, even on those higher days, I brought in over $2,000 in a single day. This is just one channel. I have several YouTube channels, and on this one last year, I made over $120,000. This is just YouTube. It's not like, you know, anything. It's definitely not a get rich quick scheme. You probably won't start making money right away. It takes a little bit of time to get started, but I have a link below where I walk you through it. And because it's a new program, there's a 30-day free trial that I created for anybody who wants to try it out. You can cancel anytime, but I walk you through how to set it all up, or how to set yours up and start making money. For me, this changed my life. I used to drive for Uber, Lyft. I used to work all these crappy jobs that I hated, and now I do YouTube. I've been doing it for 5 years. I finally decided, I wanted to make sure that I wasn't gonna put up a program that I didn't absolutely love and that I didn't think actually would work, if that makes sense. I want it to work for people and change people's lives. I helped my friend set up her own Faceless YouTube channel, and within a couple of months, she started making $10,000, $20,000 a month. At the peak, after about a year in, she was making $50,000 a month. Didn't show her face once, never heard her voice. And you can join. You don't need a following. You do not need experience. I'll walk you through it. And we have a group chat down below as well, where once you join in, you'll get access to me, and I'll be giving feedback and updating the program. And just so there's a 54-minute video right now that you can watch below on how to set it all up and explain everything. Okay. This comes from the Uber driver Reddit page. There is a lot going on. This driver, a lot of drivers are upset, and this got a lot of upvotes, a lot of comments. Somebody said this: I don't think this is doable anymore. With gas prices this high in SoCal and Uber cutting the fare, how the F are y'all able to work for this BS? This guy loves to cuss. But it's the frustration. I don't mind, you know, I usually don't like to cuss too much, but hey, I understand. Sometimes there's righteous anger. I mean, even Jesus flipped the tables, right? Because he had anger. Somebody said, cash rides, working behind the dumpster at Wendy's. You do what you can to get by. Yeah, he's obviously joking. But here in Southern California, they just raised the minimum wage for fast food restaurants now. Any fast food restaurant that has over 60 locations, like McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, In-N-Out, Taco Bell, Carl's Jr., KFC, you know, all these places, they just, in California, the whole state of California, as of last month, if you get a job there, or if you work there, if you've already worked there, $20 an hour minimum to start. And it can go up, obviously, once you get promoted and once you get a raise. So you're talking about making 20, 23, 25 bucks an hour working at McDonald's, In-N-Out. And some of these places are like, have good work environments, like Chick-fil-A, that place there's good vibes there. It's like, it's not like driving for, or I probably wouldn't want to work at McDonald's, but hey, you know, when times are tough, you gotta do what you gotta do. But like Chick-fil-A or In-N-Out, it seems pretty like a nice work environment there. wouldn't mind working at one of those places. So this gentleman or woman who's in SoCal, where the cost of living is so high, gas prices is so high, Uber's cutting the rates. You know, there was a study that came out that said Uber has been actually, Uber drivers have been earning 15% less in 2013 or in 2023 than they had the previous years. So Uber driver earnings are going down. The cost of living is going up. Somebody did comment, the answer is hybrid, 50 to 60 miles per gallon. Gas goes up to $1 a gallon, that's 2 cents or less a mile. If 2 cents a mile matters that much, you should have quit doing this before now. Not trying to be a D word, just stating the facts. Someone said, agree. When I had a hybrid that was paid off, I was paying about 5 to 10% in gas and expenses. I did have free oil changes from the dealer every 6K miles. That also helped a ton. Was at about 45 mpg. The thing though about hybrid cars, they are a lot more expensive. I am currently shopping around for used cars, and I noticed that hybrid vehicles cost around $5,000 more than a normal car because they already factor in all the savings. So it's like you're just paying for it up front anyway. So, you know, and this just happened with the whole fast food restaurant thing, raising it to 20 bucks an hour. I will be interested to see what Uber does to this, because if you're an Uber driver in SoCal right now, you're better off going to work at In-N-Out or Chick-fil-A making 20 bucks an hour. Remember, that's all profit. You don't need to use your car to work or drive, you know, obviously you have to drive to work or whatever. But even in my town, and I'm in California, we get subsidized Lyft rides. You can take the bus to In-N-Out, go work 8 hours, and make 160 or 200 bucks in a day. That's all profit. You don't need to worry about gas or whatever, or maintenance, car depreciation when you're driving 100, 200 miles a day, 300. Some drivers doing 300. If you're doing 8 hours on Uber, yeah, you're putting in 200-300 miles on your car. Yeah, your car's gonna end up in the dumpster. So anyways, really interesting environment right now going on in California. So let me know what your state's like. But again, if you're interested in starting a side hustle, or you know, want to start making extra money, check out my program or really consider the Faceless YouTube channel program, where I walk you through how to make. I'm gonna give you all the tools necessary to start making money here on YouTube. I've been doing this for 5 years. It allowed me to buy the home I'm sitting in right now. I have a huge backyard that I love. No pool yet. That's the next goal. But I mean, guys, I grew up in a single parent household. I never had any money growing up. Neither of my parents had a house or bought a house ever. We always rented, facing eviction notices. And doing YouTube changed my life. And I've already seen it change other people's lives. I've seen it firsthand with my own. And again, this is just in 1 month. As you can see, this is only on one channel. I have several channels. This is 1 month, $10,000 a month. So far this year, 50 grand last year. Oh, no, that was, sorry. Oh no, that was April. April only made 4,000. But this, I mean, on average, I start to make around 10,000 a month. This is 2024. I'm showing you guys the raw stuff. But yeah, I mean, some of these days it's like over $1,000. But, sorry, this was last year, over $120,000. And it really, you know, really changed my life. So, and you get a 30-day free trial if you sign up right now, and that will be ending soon after, I believe, the first 100 people. So we're already sitting at, I believe there's like 30 people have signed up. So there is a good amount of spots left, but that will be closing very soon. So you can try it out if you'd like, cancel at any time, no risk. You know, you won't be charged if you sign up for the 30-day free trial until after the 30 days, but you can cancel at any time. But I hope you stay, because this changed my life, and I know it can change many of you guys. Again, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You probably will make $0 in your first month. I'm just telling you guys straight up. But once you get, because of the YouTube, you got to get monetized and like start getting your videos out and everything, and then they start, you know, compounding and everything. So join the link below, 30-day free trial. Don't need to show your face, no experience, no following necessary. All right, have a great day. Bye, guys.